Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by turning on the phone hotspot and naming it clearly. Set a strong password. Make sure you pick 4 GHz for wider TV compatibility or 5 GHz if your TV supports it for better speed. Once the hotspot is live, go to your smart TV network settings right away. You will search for Wi-Fi networks and select the hotspot name. Also, confirm your phone has tethering enabled by the carrier, so the connection will carry streaming traffic. Once the TV finds your hotspot, select it and type the password exactly. Case matters. After connecting, leave IP on DHCP so the phone assigns addresses automatically. Only switch to manual if you know the values. If streaming apps complain, change DNS on the TV to a public server quickly and retry. Then open a lightweight app or the built-in network test to confirm download speeds and latency are acceptable before starting heavier streaming, because mobile connections can vary. Finish by optimizing for stability. Stop background apps on the phone and pause TV auto updates to save bandwidth. Place both devices close and keep the phone upright with no case that blocks signal, because placement affects both throughput and latency. If buffering or disconnects persist, reboot the phone and TV, toggle the hotspot band between 2, 4, and 5 GHz, and verify you haven't hit a data cap. If needed, reconnect after each change to force fresh network negotiation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.